Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on channel invitation on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device, then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, scroll until you find notifications and sounds. Then you can see the option of channel invitations. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on channel invitation on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.